Hello children, welcome to Art Zone. Today we will draw a tortoise and make a craft out of it. For this you will need a paper, pencil, eraser and colors. Let's start. Draw a circle, make two big and a small slant line. Then make a small curve and a big curve. Let's make eyes. Draw a small oval and color the eye. Very good. Let's make the legs. Make a curved line both the sides and then turn that line and connect it to the circle. Very good. Now make legs. Make curved lines and connect them to the circle. Very good. Here you have to make two V. Now do the outline. Carefully see where I have left the white space. Make two standing lines, take dots and two slant lines. Take two dots and make two slant lines. Make a standing line here and then join it with a dot. Two standing lines, slant line, slant line. Slant line, standing line, slant line. Slant line, standing line, slant line. Very nice. Connect it into a circle. Wow, you have done the tortoise. This line is very important. Erase the unwanted lines. I am using yellow, orange and red to color this design. You can use your own pattern. I am coloring the legs. While coloring a picture, you should color it into one direction. See it in the video. First color the eye. And here you completed the body parts. Make a thick border line with a black sketch pen. Very good. Be a little careful near the face. Here you are going to complete your borderline. Take parents' help for this cutout. If you are doing on your own, be little careful. Yes. Do it little carefully. Don't play with scissors. Nice round shapes you have to cut little carefully. And you are about to finish the cutting. There you go. And the last portion. Good. Cut this line and paste it with Fevicol. For a 3D effect, And here your 3D turtle is ready. Fold as it is shown in the video. Oh, my turtle is flying. Let me catch it. Let's paste it. You have to paste as shown in the video. And here our artwork is done. Check. Beautiful, don't you feel? If you want to color the remaining portion of the paper, you can make seashells, stones, sand. You can also show a seashore. Imagine and draw. And send me your picture. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have liked this video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.